So we're actually very surprised that she's letting us cut her hair. Have you got any last words?
Are you done?
No, the head.
I can't believe. Anna, seriously. Oh my god, stop.
Hello guys and welcome to another video. Today's video is quarantine cuts. If you're new to my channel, my name is Dain Luka. I'm a lifestyle and travel vlogger. I post great content every single week, so go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Also, give this video a thumbs up, hit the bell notification icon so that when I make future videos, you get notified. I live in the UK and we are past the peak. Lockdown is easing off. But at the beginning of lockdown, my sister let me and my housemate cut her hair with kitchen scissors. Stay around to the end to find out how that went. I know there's a big trend going around of like quarantine cuts on YouTube. We love watching Brad Mondo's videos of like bleach fails and just like DIY hair gone wrong. I don't think the haircut went too badly. Obviously I have no training or skills, so my technique was absolutely rubbish, but we just watched a few videos and we just thought snip, snip, snip. So I myself have not yet received a quarantine cut. I've dyed my hair myself and I'm planning on growing it. Hence why I've got this hairband in it because it's just getting a bit crazy. So I just use that to hold it up. So yeah, I hope you enjoy this. I'm gonna put these scissors down. So I hope you enjoy this video, guys. Yeah, it's crackers. So I hope you enjoy and I'll see you soon. Okay, so my savage of a sister is letting me and my best friend cut her hair. And this is just filming this for evidence. In case it messes up, then it's going on the internet. Is there any, have you got any last words?
Don't fuck it up.
Wait, show us your hair first. Like, this is how long her hair is. And
yeah, let's get a before pic.
yeah, before and after pic.
Oh. You kind of look like Cousin It. Turn around again. Who's that?
You don't want to know.
It?
Cousin It.
Hello. Just hang on.
Do you want to section it? I feel like you'll be good at that.
Yeah, and that's not straight.
Alice, got to put faith in our client here.
Bring it down as far as
I
the
literally
light
watched them out
reaches the length forward.
Okay,
About
that's
here is a comfortable length for
perfect.
Cute, okay. So we need to do it in there.
I just feel like because it's wavy, it's not going to be straight.
That girl's hair's not wavy. That girl's hair's not straight.
I can't really do it.
Fine, we're in isolation, no one's going to see it. No, it's going to come out amazing. So that's like that. So we need to do the low ones first.
I thought it was the high ones first.
Yeah, that's what I mean. I'm not good with words. I know what I'm doing, but it's probably easier someone else doing it just to like.
I look like a hillbilly. Yeah, don't ever wear your hair.
Wait, Alice, can you do that again on that side?
Yeah,
So we're sectioning the hair as per the YouTube video. Oh my god, I need to get something. Wait, I need to show you what you don't. Wait.
it's rodeo time, kids.
So this is the tutorial we're following. It's by Shari Imovie, I think. And she's got a lot of views, so I'm hoping this works out okay, otherwise my sister is literally gonna kill me and Alice. And that won't be good. So we're actually very surprised that she's letting us cut her hair because she doesn't trust, she's had one haircut in 7 years.
Because she doesn't trust the hairdresser and now she's about to trust
her housemate, so fuck knows. Courtney, if you're watching this, I'm sorry if we fuck it up. We're not trained hairdressers. You were just stupid enough to let us cut your hair.
Wait, did you cut above this hair then? Yeah.
Yeah.
I should donate my hair as well.
Yeah, you should.
Yeah, make sure we say good.
Okay, so.
Oh my god, stop!
No, it's fine.
I'm actually scared.
No, it's fine.
Should I do it myself?
No.
Give me the scissors.
I'll do it.
Give me the scissors.
I'll do one.
No, give me the scissors.
Why?
I don't know if I trust you. Don't just go in for it.
Just close your eyes.
No.
Do we give you a blindfold?
No. I feel like I should do it. Come on
Really?
then.
Okay.
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Are you gonna do
Because
it?
you need to get from the right angle, like up
Yeah, it needs to be straight.
But I can pull it down.
Why don't you hold it, Dain, and Courtney, you cut it?
Yeah, but I can't see it. I need a mirror.
Just give me the scissors, it's fine.
Oh no, I'm really like scared.
Why?
Are you like taking the piss?
No, I'm not taking
No.
the piss. It's just because you're giggling, it's making me laugh.
I just need to like see it happen in front of me.
Okay.
Not a mirror.
Okay, that's fine, isn't it? Very well, you're closer. Okay, so that's the length you want.
We should have had 2 scissors and done it at the same time.
Should we say there's another pair?
Yeah, but I don't know. Shall I just do it?
Yeah, go for it.
No, but I need like a proper mirror.
Oh wait, there's another pair here, which one open it? Why don't me and Alice do it at the same time and then it's over and done with? You can just close your eyes and make up with new hair.
Oh.
I wouldn't do it if I didn't feel like I could actually cut your hair.
No, I know.
Well then.
Yeah, but you just keep laughing.
Because you look funny like that. When do you ever walk out with hair like this?
I don't.
Exactly.
Oh, I don't know. I want my short hair short.
Yeah.
Why don't you close your eyes? I'm going to put the screen down and then you can't see it because I think that's making it worse.
No, but is it actually even?
Yeah. Yeah.
Right.
Can you actually just do it at the same like length?
Okay.
things?
Oh, okay.
What, at the same time?
No, at the
No,
same
it's
time.
good.
Oh my god, I can't believe I've just fucking done this. Oh.
Oh, cute.
Oh my
Okay.
god. Alice, you better get it right.
Pieces of well shit.
Oh God's sake. Don't cut my neck off. Fucking hell.
Bro, why are these ones not cutting?
Do you want the other ones or is it too late?
You just get the other ones. Why?
Look, you can donate this, that'll be cute.
Alice, get the other ones.
Okay.
I think you're just gonna fuck my hair up even more.
Alice, funny.
Alice, seriously.
Okay.
I just want to quickly say, Courtney, you are freaking crazy for letting me and Alice cut your hair with these scissors. The way she was gnawing at it, what the hell?
Okay.
Use the other ones. You're gonna cut my neck.
Sorry.
What are you doing?
Trying to get it out.
I really don't look convinced by your friends today.
Courtney, I can't take you seriously with your hair tied like this.
Why are you like spinning your arm around? This is a straight cut. No, Alice.
I actually can't get this bit.
Are you sure you're not cutting the hairband?
So you need to do that side.
Fuck's sake. What have you done?
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
What have you done?
Nothing.
This is my hair, you know.
Wait, pull that out. I think it's just like cutting. There you go.
I'm gonna look like a fucking idiot.
No, I think it looks good.
Why is this one taking so long?
Maybe that side's cute. Okay.
Oh my god. Oh my god, that's so not even.
Let me see.
That's not even.
No, we just need to finish that side up.
Oh, fuck my life. I'm gonna look like
Take it out.
Oh my
Yeah, it looks good.
Oh my god, it's
Yeah, it
so
looks good.
nice.
I look like Edna Mode. Oh my god, literally that feeling of going like that is so fucking weird.
Did it feel nice? Yeah, it looks good. You suit this cut, this hair length.
Yeah, but is it straight?
No, but it's kind of like
It's like,
you know when it goes like shaped.
yeah. I think we did a good job. That's a
I can't believe
10.
I've just done that.
No, I think it looks good. That haircut really suits you.
Yeah.
Fuck my life.
How do you feel?
I don't know.
Your t-shirt's inside out. Did you know that? Do I like strokes like? So I think we did a pretty good job, to be fair.
Yeah.
This is the back. So I feel like, I don't know, would Brad Mondo be proud of that? I don't know. I mean,
It's no blunt cut, but
yeah.
it's a good cut.
It's yeah, it's got.
Lovely for my day now with the mouse.
It's a standard evening.
I just don't get how you're supposed to know if it's like. Oh wait, is your head straight, Connie?
I mean, her hair's not straight anyway.
That looks. I think that looks.
Yeah.
Oh, the head.
I can't believe.
New hair, who did? There's so jokes.
Crazy. It just looks weird like how long that was my length hair.
Yeah.
But yeah.
Okay, so the haircut went okay, but we literally just cut her hair with kitchen scissors. Kind of turned out okay. What do you think? Hairstyling out?
I'm left-handed and I absolutely butchered it because I had
She was
right-handed
like
scissors.
proper chopping into it, and Courtney was like, "What are you doing?" So
I could feel my face going red, like I was.
It was not cool, but I think it looks kind of okay. Like, I'm not a hairdresser, but
She's probably gonna cry in her sleep, but
probably it's fine. Just come in.
we need to get another pic. You know, like your face that wall.
Over and out. If you like this video, press the thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and leave some comments down below. And if you thought a haircut was any good, and we can cut your hair.